back to another video. Today we're back. Let's go.
Wait, I'm gonna call you back, okay?
Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, sure. Okay, well, while he's doing that, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Not me, you. Yeah. So I can give you a little tour. Okay, he's back.
We are back working at the bakery.
Yeah, and we love this bakery, right, Pokemon?
Yeah, we love the bakery.
I can give you guys a tour. Like, we did some new stuff to it, right?
Yeah, we added silver to the bakery.
Okay, so
we added a snack shack. It's pretty cool.
this is the little register area where people can pay after they get their food. Here's the pet stuff and the menu. I'll give you guys a second to read it, okay?
Wait a minute now. We're gonna have to make it.
Okay, I hope you guys did it, but if you didn't, go back, and then you can look at it. Pause the video. Yeah, do that.
So here's the snack shack.
This is the little donut area. You can grab a donut from the donut table. You could cook it for 10 seconds.
ABC for a cow.
This is the pets only area where all the employees' pets can eat. And guys, I got a new pet.
For a cow.
Guys, I got a new pet, a neon fly-ride ox. It's so cool. And guys, if you never knew,
Hello, if you want to make just look at this. So the bakery this room.
if you've never known me that well, my favorite icing is chocolate. So in the last video, we didn't have coffee, but in this video, we have coffee. Coffee! And guys, we have a new employee. Guys, we have a new employee, and it is Foxaloka. Well, last video, but should we give her a shout out? Wait, no, we have. Well, let's do it again, okay? How about that?
Alright, well guys, huge shout out to Foxaloka.
Yeah!
Because
Thank you for supporting our bakery.
she's amazing. And it's just better.
She's like a really sweet
Good
person.
job.
She's a really sweet person, and she is supporting our bakery by being an employee. Please. And please subscribe too. And like and hit the notification bell so you never miss our videos. I have 3 people working. Here, I'm gonna add Foxaloka so she can also go. Because I can trust her.
And upstairs.
I did a lot of
This
stuff.
room, this is my room.
My room. I collected 8 books.
You got some money trees.
Yeah.
Oh. Over here's the penthouse. This donut. I just ran over something.
Hello, Foxaloka. Well, guys, I needed to do something really, really sad. I got a ride polar bear, but then I called Pokemon, and then he said it was worth it for a neon fly ride.
Yeah, so
Ox.
Sloth said it's a ride polar bear for a that's not rare. It's really good.
They're both rares.
That's it for the tour. Okay, I have to say.
Oh no, do not come in this restaurant with your name Mama Poop. Okay? No. Do not go in Mama Poop. Why? Why? Okay, so guys, I hope you liked my house. So should we tell the viewers what we're gonna do? We're saving up for 4,500 so we can buy a Hollywood house, and then we can put a sign Sloth Bakery, and Poke Drone will have a drone bakery, and I don't know what a helmet drop will name his. It better not be Poop Bakery. Yeah, you better not do that. Nobody will come to your place if you name it that. Okay, so I like my little bakery area. I added some new lights too, and if you didn't notice, I added like... And this is part 1 for me.
Yep, part 1.
Part 1 for me.
Looks like this guy decided to exit the bakery, right?
There's a double-sided TV.
These are pretty rich silver.
And here's the new bathroom for the changes for all the employees. Employee bathroom. This is the little dining area. You saw it like a million times, but I still haven't told you. You can sit there, Soda, okay? You're not for trade either. If you guys don't know what NFT means, not for trade. Okay? So if you ever see an animal named something and at the end it's like NFT, not for trade, but somebody traded it to me, so I don't understand. Okay, so stop. You don't need anything else, okay? You can just relax here, and then I'm gonna go do my stuff. Okay, guys, we finally got rid of that box. I'm just joking. I like him. If somebody's kind and they walk in, they could just read the sign. Hello, if you want amazing food, just look at the sign on the right if open. Sloth Bakery this way. Sloth Bakery is open. So every time I want it to be closed, I delete open, and then I put closed. But it's not closed, so we're not doing that. So guys, in a week or so, I'm planning on having Queen Sloth chats, where I only chat on a private server. Okay? So I hope you would enjoy that too. But if you really want to know what I'm saying, not.
I don't know. I think he really enjoyed hatching and everything.
I also added a royal carpet so you can follow it, and then you go to the bakery. And guys, I need to show you the snack shack. So I have a hot dog stand and a lemonade stand, but since Poke Drone doesn't have a hot dog stand, I need to put a hot dog stand, and he puts a lemonade stand. And since the hot dogs are $2, it's because hot dogs are foods, not drinks, okay? And people don't, like, you know, sell hot dogs. Oh, I just found a glitch. Okay, well, welcome to the snack shack. Sorry if this thing is in the way. I'll read it for you. Our menu: popcorn, ice cream, ham, chocolate milk, and lemonade. Wait, there's no hot dogs. Yeah. Wait. No. Okay, when you erase that, chocolate milk, hot dog, hot dog. What? No, not and.
Oh no. I like that.
There we go. I knew there was something missing with that. Okay, it seems like Soda wants to go to bed. Yep, okay. Let's pick you up. Let's go up. Why are you following me? Okay, oh, you orb. Okay, so this is a room. Every pet needs except a piano. Like, you know, you can just go to my room. Hey, whoa. Did you guys see that person? Or was it just me? Just go back and see, okay? I hope it wasn't just me. Hello, you cannot be paid because you're not doing anything, so sorry. I'm just joking. I'll share like $10 with you. $5 for Pope John, and $5 for Fox Walker, and $5 for Helmet Drop.
$5 for nobody.
And $5 for a stranger, and $5 for Natty, and $5 for Chloe YT. Oh, and you should go check out Chloe's channel. She's also a YouTuber like us. Ow. And she gave me a free capybara. If you guys don't know what capybaras are, I'll show you. This is a capybara. They look so cute. But my eyes. Hey, Pope John, equip, you know who I want you to equip. Hey guys, I think I might end the video in 15 minutes. I just wanted to give you a tour, and then I'll have part 2 of a bakery, okay? And guys, Pope John recorded a video of me trying to make a Mega Neon ride dog, and yes, it was like 2 hours, but I hope you guys can. Alright, well, it's close to 2 hours, you know. So I hope you guys can go check it out. Just search Pope John, and then you'll see a Pokeball, and then you can look, okay? If he posted his video, but if he hasn't, just wait, okay? Check every day.
What is
Chloe YT? I don't know. Just search that. She uses chat, so you can't hear her voice. Okay. After my mega dog is done, I'm gonna show you all my pets, because I've gotten a lot of new pets. Okay, we don't need you. I got a stingray, a stegosaurus. You know what's funny, guys? I traded a ride monkey for a stegosaurus, a monkey, and a narwhal. And I have enough Robux to buy another ride potion. So guys, this was just a tour of my house. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please also leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. Bye, guys. Are you gonna say bye? Okay, bye.